Nice to have you back, Libra. On Monday, you will start to actively finish your tasks and deal with the plans you have outlined. Organize an active holiday, a trip related to sports, or a cultural entertainment. Evaluate in depth what not only your past but also future events mean to you. Be daring. Although you might not struggle to find the necessary patience, you could wonder how much longer you will be expected to. On Tuesday, you want to be supportive in every way to a loved one but seem to be at the mercy of circumstances that you're unable to influence or control. What someone close wants and needs from you now is understanding. You can trust wholeheartedly that it is not misplaced or taken for granted. You enjoy a good physical structure but definitely need to take precautions and care. You need to stay away from thoughtless actions that could bring stress and tensions. You have a tendency to work under extreme conditions, which, along with poor dietary habit, could also make you feel weak and tired at times. On Wednesday, take control of your well-being, remain calm and focused, and don't carelessly be diverted or seduced by tempting but unhealthy distractions. Instead, look for choices that bring equilibrium into your life. Avoid the stimulating effects of coffee for prefer relaxing herbal tea. Take a long break and spend time outside in the open. You should avoid self-medication and always seek professional advice whenever necessary on matters relating to health. On Thursday, your mind is very active. You are full of ideas and inspiration. You will be constantly coming up with new plans which you will be able to plan and execute very easily. Your only problem today will be that you may feel overwhelmed by the flood of new ideas that will constantly fill your mind. You are also likely to inspire others around you to a higher level of activity. On Friday, love may be near you, but you are not able to catch the vibes. Today, focus on how people near you talk to you and behave with you. Someone near to you is yearning for your attention. There will be some confusion with people in relationship. Talk and listen to your partner as that will solve the problem. You will spend time on taking your mental and physical fitness to back where it used to be. You need to work hard. Due to some recent injury, you may find that you are experiencing joint pain where there was not any before. On Saturday, social gatherings could be pleasantly intense. A casual conversation with someone about something trivial could become quite deep. Because you feel that there is more between you than meets the eye, and there probably is, think about your next steps as well and do not hurry to proceed with their conversion. Try not to share your ideas and impressions with even your most credible friends because you will be creating problems for yourself. On Sunday, be careful meeting new people because you are in the power of emotion and your judgment is not right. The present astral energy encourages you to think about your future. Challenges are coming your way that will help you find a new approach to solve your personal problems. Someone may be in the mood to try and persuade you to go along with some very appealing plans, and you could be sorely tempted to follow blindly. Don't decline help. Do some light exercises to relieve the physical stress and strain. You will be back on your feet in no time, predicts your weekly horoscope.
How are you doing, Libra? Hey, okay, on Monday, Uranus has made you a workaholic over the past few years, but your creative juices will start to flow once he changes houses and moves into your house of friendship today. Jupiter, the planet of luck, made his way into Jupiter and spiced up your day-to-day routine at office. Things are about to get way more interesting, and your place of work may adjust your interior aesthetics to be more than your liking. Alright, now on Tuesday, as the mighty Sun rules over the second house of your sign, you seem to have hit a jackpot when it comes to money. The positioning of the Sun and the planets couldn't get better than this, as per what is mentioned in your finance. Such a placement more than not indicates that you will have more monetary gains usually, but let's see how it pans out in your case. From today, it could either be that you will have inherited a huge amount of wealth, or maybe this time it could be in the form of a position at workplace. Again, time will span out, but then you'll have to wait and watch on this one. On Wednesday, income inflow will increase, as you may even get a bonus. Whatever the source be, you will definitely get a lot of money, is what I meant. During this time, you may have an urge to spend a ridiculous amount of money for luxury item because you now have extra cash, right? That you can even do without. You will have to start saving for the future. So before you are hit with a bout of shopping, think calmly whether it's necessity and worth the money or not. On Thursday, money does not come easy to everyone. We all know that. And so you will have to start making contingency plan for the future when it comes to money. Save a little every month and keep it for a rainy day. Your career and money horoscope today will usher into a strong and positive outlook. You are feeling bright and optimistic about your year ahead, and for good reason, that is. Everything is going well with work and your finances. Okay, towards the end of the week on Friday reveals that you'll be the master of your own destiny, as things will progress at the rate you decide. The stars will have a hard time keeping track of your finances and spontaneity. So if there's one thing that's certain, it's that you're going to have a hectic year. It's refreshing to see someone that's so incredibly free-spirited, but don't forget the basics. By the weekend on Saturday is said to be full of fantastic surprises. Who doesn't like surprises? You tell me. Your positive attitude towards hard work will give you the skills to need to overcome the challenges you face. Know that you are a very talented person, and that when you put your mind to it, you can achieve anything you want, absolutely anything. When it comes to your relationships, you could face some tough challenge now, but you will feel better soon afterwards. And on Sunday, if your career has seen its share of ups and downs in the last 7 years, you have Uranus to thank. The planet of change and innovation has been taking you on a ride through your 10th house of career and prestige. You may be relieved to know that he's finally changing houses. You'll likely grew wiser and tougher from the challenges that came your way. Have a great week ahead.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.